In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the default download location for Microsoft Store. If you want new apps from the Microsoft Store to install to a different drive, Windows gives you a built-in setting for that. This can be especially helpful if your main drive is running low on space, or if you prefer to keep apps organized on another storage drive. To get started, open Windows Settings by pressing the Windows key and the I key on your keyboard at the same time. That shortcut brings you directly into the settings window and is usually the fastest way to get there. Once settings is open, go to System. In that section, click on Storage. This is where Windows lets you manage how and where different types of content are saved on your computer. Next, look for Advanced Storage Settings and click it. From there, select where new content is saved. This page includes several options for choosing default save locations for different types of content, including apps. Now find the drop-down menu under New Apps will save to. Open that menu to view the available drives on your PC. For me, I don't have another drive, so I don't have a choice. If you do see more than one drive listed, choose the one you want to use as the new default location for Microsoft Store apps. After selecting your preferred drive, click Apply to save the change. Windows will then use that drive for new apps installed from the Microsoft Store going forward. Keep in mind that this only affects new app installations. It won't automatically move apps that are already installed. So if you were expecting existing apps to switch locations, that's normal. And that's it. Once you apply the setting, your default Microsoft Store app location is updated and ready to use.